Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So student, today our question is if 1 over 3 to the power a plus 1 over 3 to the power a plus 1 over 3 to the power a is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2022, then find the value of a. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of a from the given equation. So my dear student, our given algebraic equation is 1 over 3 to the power a plus 1 over 3 to the power a plus 1 over 3 to the power a is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2022. So student, to find the value of a from this equation, so we have to apply this formula on both sides of this equation. So student, according to this formula, we can write on the left hand side of this equation 3 to the power minus a in the place of first term, plus in the place of second term we can write 3 to the power minus a, plus similarly in the place of third term we can write 3 to the power minus a is equal to, on the right hand side, according to this formula we can write from this term 3 to the power minus 2022. So after that student, on the left hand side we can take common 3 to the power minus a from 3 terms on the left hand side. So we can write 3 to the power minus a times 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 3 to the power minus 2022. So after that student, we can write on the left hand side 3 to the power minus a times, if you add 3 times 1 then you get 3. So we have to write in here 3 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 3 to the power minus 2022. So student, on the left hand side according to this formula we can write 3 to the power 1 minus a from 3 to the power minus a times 3 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 3 to the power minus 2022. So student, to find the value of a from this equation, so we have to apply this formula. A to the power m is equal to a to the power n implies that m is equal to n. So student, according to this formula we can write from this equation 1 minus a is equal to minus 2022. So student, to find the value of a from this equation, so we have to transpose minus a from left hand side to right hand side, and at the same time we have to transpose minus 2022 from right hand side to left hand side. So on the left hand side we can write 1 plus 2022 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write a. After that we can write on the left hand side 2023. If you add 1 with 2022 then you get 2023 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write a. So student, the value of a is 2023. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.